Welcome to the Designing the Row Squarespace store setup series. This is just one video of many where I teach you how to set up your Squarespace store from start to finish. I'm Catherine Forbes, founder of Designing the Row, and I'm also a Squarespace expert, Squarespace authorized trainer, and Squarespace Circle member. So if you are looking for help building your Squarespace website, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add product SKUs, and this is going to be a really short video, and I want to separate all of these out. So if you are adding products again in the future and you're like, what, how do I do that again? You can go directly to this lesson and figure out how to do that rather than just watching one long tutorial on adding a store. So I hope this helps. Definitely let me know, but now let's go into adding a SKU for your product. So I'm going to click into this pricing and variance tab up here on the top, and you can see here we've got a column for our SKU. So I'm just going to click in there, it highlights it all, and I'm going to replace it with MBB. You can see it already kind of knows what I want to do, and small. This is going to be my SKU for my small shirt. That's all you have to do. If you want it to be a whole bunch of numbers, you can do that. I'd personally like to kind of make it descriptive of what the product is, because your customer will see the SKU in the receipt and you will see it when you are fulfilling the order. So it's just kind of another checkpoint of that you're filling the right thing when you are placing that order if you are managing the inventory on your own. If you're not managing the inventory, then it just makes it look nice and clean rather than just the random numbers that Squarespace generates for you. So that's all you have to do to set your own SKU. If this video tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any further questions, you can leave them for me in the comments. And as this is a series, I will leave the next video for you right here. And don't forget that over at designingtherow.com, I have more tips and resources on how you can build and grow your online presence.